this is Veronica Buzzinwith Vee. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is the Christmas in July with Creative Mommy and Evelyn Creativa. They are both the host of this Christmas in July, and thank you so much for the invite. And we have several other ladies: Craftymamapanda, Soto Creates, Justcraftingoverhere, Jerseycgirl E. So please check them out. I will list them all below. And today is the last day for the Christmas in July, and this is what I've created. So it is a project share. This is the box that I have been housing all of the stuff in. And so this box is a storage, like a pencil storage box that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and decorated it just like an embellishment box. And so everything is in there, and so I did use the snow and cocoa and just decorated it just like an embellishment box. And I did do some double pieces of paper right here and sewed, and then added some tulle and also some of the snowflake that I picked up from 99-cent store or Michael's, I can't remember, but I added some ephemera snowflakes gifted to me by Virginia, a winner of mine. And thank you so much, Virginia. I appreciate that. Now I'm able to use those. And then I'm using the chipboard pieces right here and right here and right here, and then Let It Snow is also a chipboard piece. And then pom-pom trim that I picked up from Michael's. I have this ribbon, the paper ribbon fold, scrap lifted from the Vintage Goose, and a little tree in the middle. So I like these, the snowman and the polar bear, and they are all dimensional. So let's go ahead and get into this so you guys can see what you're gonna win. So you just lift it open. This is everything you're gonna win. And I did do a backside that says snow and cocoa, and then I just added a frame. And so this is everything you're going to win. So first off, we have the 3D bows. So those are two, and those are the 3D bows that I used the SVG file on. Then we have, of course, the fishtail banners that I made, and I made 3 of them, and so here they are. I love the snowman. Oh, the polar bear, so cute as well. Okay, and then next, I'm able to gift this because my winner, Virginia, sent me one of these, so I'm gonna gift you guys the one, or the winner, the extra one. So that's gonna go in the box. And then we have the glassine bags with this little paper, decorative paper clip here, and some pom-pom trim. So those, there are 4 of them. Yep, there are 4 bags in here. And lastly, you guys, I'm gonna gift you, the winner, a 6x6 paper bag from Snow and Cocoa. It has not been opened. So that is all, you guys. Be sure to like this video, comment, enter me, and be a visible subscriber. And please like each video. So this is week 4, I believe, and the last day. So everything you will be winning, I just showed you, and hopefully you guys will join in on the fun. Be sure to watch week 1, 2, and 3, and 4. This one you guys already watched. So to be entered in the giveaway and follow the rules on each of those videos, I will link them below. Be sure to be a visible subscriber, comment, enter me on each video, and like this video, and you guys will be entered, and I will be doing a drawing shortly. So that is everything, and of course I will put some shred. Let me do that now. Okay, so let's go ahead and decorate this now so you guys could see exactly what you will be winning. So we're gonna add shred in here. Super pretty. Shred always makes it so much fun. We're gonna add these little balls that are from, where are they from again? Oh, I think the Dollar Tree, yeah. So we're gonna add those in there. And then tissue confetti for Michael's. We'll just sprinkle all that in there. Look how pretty it looks. Make sure everything's all set. Oh, you know what? Let's add some of this iridescent stuff. I can't remember where this came from. I think it was gifted to me. And there it is, all done. So there's the front, there's the inside, and there's the back of the, and that's it, you guys. So be sure to follow the rules, you guys. Everything will be linked below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.